Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Welcome to the channel, you guys. My name is Indy if you are new here. Today we are going to be doing a quick, cute little first impressions on the new Covergirl Trublend Skin Enhancer Primers. This is going to be the Plush and Plump number 10 primer, and this says it is for replenishing the skin. I did pick up another one. I picked up the number 40 sticky grip primer, and this is tightening with vitamin C in it, and this has biopeptides in it. I bought these a while ago and honestly I forgot that I had them. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to film a video. I'm craving some makeup, I'm craving filming. And then when I was pulling out everything from the videos, I found these and I was like, oh my gosh, this is a perfect time to try these. In the video we will be applying this one and I'll be telling you guys how it feels, how it looks, and all of that good stuff. There are 4 in the collection. I'll put a picture of all of them up here on the screen, but I picked the 2 that I felt would suit my personal makeup needs the best. There's also a velvet one and I really wanted to try that one, but I'm like, we do not need 3 primers. We don't even need 2, but we definitely don't need 3. Let me know down below if you guys have tried these, and let's go ahead and get into the video. You guys, let's go ahead and get started on this makeup look. Like I said, we are going to be testing out the Covergirl Trublend Skin Enhancer Primers. For today, we're just going to be trying the Plush Plump version, and I am so excited. Go ahead and take the eye thingies off. So I'm going to prep the skin first by spraying a little bit of setting spray. This is actually a multitasking spray. This is the NYX Bear With Me, one of my go-tos. And this is my little like eyelash dryer. So we're gonna use that for our makeup today. Y'all, I haven't done a talking video like long form like this in a while, so bear with your girl. It's been a minute. So y'all know what this is. This is the Candy Haze Primer by Makeup Revolution. Y'all have seen this 5 million times. Listen, I'm not getting rid of her. She is iconic and there's still so much left in her. So we're going to first prep by using this. And this is kind of going to be but it's going to be like a moisturizer, if you will. And I wear this or something similar under all of my foundations every time I do my makeup. Okay, so that's all soaked in and ready to go. Now let's apply the primer. So like I said, this is the Covergirl Trublend Skin Enhancer Plush Plump Primer. So let's go ahead and read the back. It says formulated with biopeptides for intense 48-hour hydration that instantly plumps skin, clinically proven to increase skin's radiance. Cooling water-based formula immediately revives tired skin, enhances skin to create a bouncy, smooth canvas for flawless makeup application that lasts, natural and dewy finish. Apply to bare skin, wear alone or under makeup to plump, brighten, and smooth. Let's see. So I love the packaging. So go Covergirl. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that off. And so it's kind of like a jelly consistency, really thin. Okay, so it's not sticky at all. And let's see how it applies. Okay, it absolutely does have like a little cooling effect to it. I like that. I mean, like I said, I did just prep the skin, so it's gliding on very, very nicely. So you want to make sure that you do your skincare, or you want to make sure that you're prepping the skin, getting ready for makeup. I am not just one of those people. I mean, if you have that kind of skin, then go for it, whatever works for you. But I do like to do a little prep to the skin before I start putting actual makeup products on there. Even if it's just like a dab of moisturizer, a dab of like sunscreen, if you're going out, just something. Even if it's like a moisturizing facial spray, something. Oh my gosh, this is going on so smooth, so juicy. I love it already. It feels so smooth and hydrating on the skin. So yeah, I can actually see, like, let's say you've had a really long night and then you have to wake up, and let's say that you use this for like work in the morning. I can see this really giving your skin like a boost, a drink of water, if you will, like plumping the skin. All right, let's make sure that we don't want to overdo it on the eyes, but we're going to do just a little bit because we really want to make sure that our eyeshadows are looking really nice and neat and protecting the eyelids. So this feels amazing, making sure we're getting under the eyes. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. This feels so good and nice and juicy on the skin, and it's not sticky at all. I feel like I could just kind of do this with my hands, like, and just kind of rub it in. As you can see, like my hands are like really shiny and like, they look like I put like lotion or something on. Like they kind of look hydrated. I don't know if you can tell, but I love this. It feels so good. It kind of feels like you could kind of wear it without any makeup, and it'll just make your skin look really nice, pretty, and glowy. I like this so far. And it's not sticky, but it does feel like your skin feels ready for makeup. You know, it's not sticky, but it's just like hydrated and ready for makeup, if that makes sense. So yes, I'm loving that. So I am actually going to do my full face on a different video, so make sure you guys check that out. Not sure which one will be up first, so we'll see, but I will add some clips here and there into this video, and then we'll come back and then you guys will see the finished product, and I will give you my final thoughts on my first impression on this new primer. So let's get into putting on the makeup. So this is the completed look, and I did do a longer version of the tutorial for this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yes, this is how the makeup looks. Let me get closer to the freaking camera. Okay, so I just wanted to pull the camera a little bit closer. So this is how the makeup looks and how it laid on my skin, and y'all, my skin looks amazing. My skin looks super hydrated. It looks gorgeous, flawless. I mean, you guys saw how I prepped my skin. I used my good old sprays, Fix Plus, NYX. But these are all the things that I use when I'm using any of my products. So I just want it to be fair. Y'all, I really enjoyed how the primer laid on my skin, how it felt really nice, plump, and moisturizing, and then how everything just laid over top. And it was also really easy to go in with a little bit more product and like blend it out. The foundation didn't like get stuck to it, or it was like hard to blend out like certain spots where it like dried too much or anything like that. I just think everything went on flawlessly, and I mean the final product is phenomenal. Get into the beat. But yeah, I think it's an amazing primer. I'm gonna wear this for a little bit longer, and I'll probably wear it a few more times, and then I'll have to come back and give you guys like maybe a little short review. I'll probably talk about it over on TikTok, or I'll talk about it in like a few future videos. So make sure you guys are following me on my different social media platforms, because I'll throw in a video here or there about a product that I'll talk about over here, and then I just don't feel like doing a whole YouTube video on it. You know what I'm saying? So I cannot wait to test this out with a few more foundations. like lighter makeup, heavier makeup. So yes, you guys, that is the full video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little first impressions. Let me know down below if you guys have tried these primers and what you think about them. Let me know if you've tried these or the other two, and let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me over on TikTok and follow me on Instagram. Those links will be down below in the description bar, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.